My name is Sofia Pettigrew. I live in Fergus Falls, Minnesota with my husband Joel. We have 3 kids, 2 boys and a girl. So I was pretty naive having my first child. I didn't really know how my body would handle pregnancy. It went well. I had a great first pregnancy and made me not very timid to continue to have kids. And I noticed with each successive pregnancy and then each child that if I wanted to be a good mom, that I had to take care of myself first. I grew up in the middle of the country. We lived on a gravel road, and I saw my mom walk, I want to say every day. It probably wasn't every day, but she would walk on our gravel roads for about 4 miles. And I think she needed the decompression from us 4 kids at home. So she would take her mid-morning, mid-afternoon walk. And growing up, I never thought anything of it. I feel like I can really conquer anything during the day if I have some me time in the morning, especially if it's an active CrossFit me time. Since I started doing CrossFit a couple years ago, I really feel like I have gotten more confident in my abilities as a wife and especially a mom. It really does go throughout our entire life. I mean, CrossFit is a small portion, but it makes such a huge difference. There's a huge community component to CrossFit. Many people go to the same classes week after week, and so you start getting to know your people, and they become like family. It's kind of the same thing, I think, even with doctoring at Lake Region, is Dr. Norgard and his nurses and just the staff, they start to feel like family when you're there. And I think the community, the relational part of doctoring at a small hospital is so warm and welcoming while you are going through a very intimate part of your life. I remember a couple times during my 3rd pregnancy coming from an appointment with Dr. Norgard and saying, okay, now he said I can't do a sit-up, and then I would ask the trainer, so what would you recommend me doing? I can't be on my back doing this anymore. And then they would help me figure out a different move that I could do safely and still getting some kind of benefit for myself. I got lots of comments throughout this 3rd pregnancy at CrossFit saying, I can't believe you're still coming. I'm so proud of you. I would always comment back, I have to do it. Like, I feel so much better, mind and body. I feel like there's so many challenges in this life. It's fun for me to challenge my body. Lake Region Healthcare, there's so much to do here. Stay healthy for it.